Ade.
Mo diamam pa.
E mo diamam. Ade wo yare.
Na so ya we. Oh yeah we. I said what do you bet? Yeah.
Sure.
I think say get to 3% me yare mo.
Ah.
O person me.
Ade ondo ayo de a o person yare mo.
Then say na o kan no. O ti ana ama o ti gba o. Ti say I say boom sa kiki. Kwame. Hard dream. Atakra, when you atakra justice, I hard dream, but oh, catcher say, I mean, when we so much, the whole of 2025 into why are there. Kwame. Teams are countries at a crab boy. The country, our countries at a crab boy. See a chant team, a bit more mabo. 2025, so I qualify as a boy. The big country, Umi Mali. But Mali, a performance on the Mayan. If you know Mubahasi, how we struggle, I mean, difficult win. Perhaps now, another countries now can in. Yeah, champ, ye teams know, the players know how to go by bit no mabo. Kwame, dear, how do you say? Adiano enyeno, adiano enkoyeno, adiano enye adia drew and I was standard that no. Ah, ye nyina be hwe say ye beya me na koyi ye beya me na ye akono no ne asan aba e justify ade na enye no ebeda yi ebeden pa ayi in the second oti achi na hwe Black Stars ewo ho sesi yi a ono ankasa ye na kono Black Stars ewo ho sesi yi oti achi na ohwe Black Stars team no na kono over the years she players Ghana produce she players do omo bo Black Stars no compared to these players Kwame me come say those days after see winning I mean 4 Cup of Nations no omo bani nyina Kwame omo nyini hwe amaye o but only performance omo di be ma yen any enemy yakoswa who say omo the excitement bray omo the energy bray irrespective of so many I mean air trophy for Air Ghana but this couple of FA this couple of air players oh yeah FA air running Ghana football Kwame edi ade eniji a e ba Ghana ha no Kwame ede ya eden
ana no on boy na my way
ede
no be want
ede Kwame you see every yaw and my hold you for I hold you for Kwame ebio or say I mean referees Daniel Laryea
best referees of Africa
Africa
Ghana had the best the beer
okay yate but oko Africa I mean they said okay the top 3 account
Africa so wa ma specifics no as say Laryea there
and I have on my
house senti Daniel Laryea onya dia
no listen asem de o ka o me nya nyina so no e me
ya be to you Daniel Laryea nya dia na
oh ya ne sa
ntino
ya ne sa
de asa mambisa o
ya ne sa uba Ghana hasia how many difficult matches category A matches
how many of them
are
protected no
so you see where the problem is it means more akra mun gilindi momo na mo Ghana akra no you don't trust him because the best referee or ye wo e wo mem ha best referee or Ghana ha say no category A matches are difficult matches I ne also papa your friend Daniel Laryea come or handle matches no how many of them and I the Daniel Laryea or officiate how many of them because so do all Blacks 11 wonders Ned na kosho no odi
Zuba na dem dey matches
na Holy Stars
Dreams FCB
no show no odi Pfizer any Benap no show no odi Future Stars any Ebuson Dwarfs Ned na koto no odi any man ho But you come back and tell us. I mean, AFCON Mukoye. Yes, he did well. Because we share after AFCON, top 10 referees are on board the top 10. Or can be?
No, these are.
Or toss 8. No, or toss 9.
Until work or
the best top 10 are some making. Or toss 9. What I say? Meaning that you bet me Abwa Amana Yadini. But originally, Osha or more mere best referees in Africa, top 10 on count. Top 10 on count, and a line count. On count. But at least, performance of the Mai just ended AFCON a course. I think that he did well. It's honor, so Tosunaya and all count top 10 one. I think a plus. But best referees to Africa top 10, Daniel Laryea is not part. Daniel Laryea is not part. Kwame Omar Abdakader Atan or Somalia all free. The best referee in Africa, I don't know. Papi Bakari Gassama, so kind of Gambia.
Yes, Gambia.
Yes. Mustafa Gabal Algeria. Kwame. Best referees no Tosunyensa. Jane Indala Dr. Congo, DR Congo. Kwame Okanbi. Victor Gomez South Africa, okay papa no.
Sure, me kind pa.
Kwame yewo Bamlak Tesema
Ethiopia. Yes, Ethiopia ni tipa say. I want Tietia already game do by Sports Stadium. I think Black Stars ni one of the AFCON qualifiers, the World Cup qualifiers games. Tietia and Tia is a bizarre.
But 7 Oba Ofri Rwanda Salima Mukasanga.
Oba Kuzi.
Toso 7 best referees in Africa. 8 Mahmoud Ismail on free Sudan. So Kwame, it is here best referees to Africa. Kwame, nya good you.
Now they will Kodiagro.
Oh no, I'm not saying so Kodiagro.
That's okay. Now good.
Why is he relying on Daniel Laryea alone?
Because he's kindly our best referee in the country. So yes, sir. Meaning aside on why referee baby no.
Meaning Ghana your referee wa. Ghana ha.
Zuba.
Your referees wa. Ghana ha.
No me Ghana Premier League matches no more there.
Hey.
Zuba debut and I will kick out something. You need referees or Ghana ha. Your referees wa. Now what did Ghana Premier League nana? Sorry referees na. Oh no, I want to know. There be small be some media. Ghana any referees wa dey any say.
Say na me bu say omo na dey Ghana Premier League nana. Omo officiate some matches no. Omo. Kwame, I'm sorry.
Emu bia na kwa AFCON.
I'm sorry. Sintina na me bobi cho no. Big matches na see emu say na officiate. Emu say. Okodi 11 wonders. Ebusia Dwarfs. Basake Holy Stars. Swadwo All Blacks are coming. Pressure be any move. Nothing. I said, you are here, you are protecting.
Calf competitions near the ODBA.
Coming. A honor. Even gadgets, name, equipment, no crown, pocrano. A bad boy was a person more officiating games near. I want to have big station. Into Okonako Filiana said, what born to the call.
Yes, I need a new referee.
Aha, Ghana. Games no more officiating. Your kaya, I mean, a hammy bako, say a nay. Bribe with some, I'm sure I mean, referee the contest or come.
What's to say?
Bribe with some referees, no bribe now, then
cut them young, they no. I don't say referees no. Or more, or say, or corrupt.
Aha,
they are not corrupt, and in him say, and crano. omo mpanimfo me ba let's see it here on one.
I don't
know about corrupting the younger generation, and I don't know about the senior ones being corrupt. I know about referees sometimes having bad calls. I know about referees having good calls. I know about the unquenchable desire of the younger folks to excel. This I know, but it's a reason why I set out, or I rolled out this carbon refereeing strategy a few years ago. I knew what it will give to Ghana football.
Okay, where are now open?
Aye. Or see, he's not sure, he's not aware.
Like they are corrupt.
Said they are corrupt. Now referees no to the bia. Yes, mistakes you ho. Omutimi nya ko a wrong, omutimi nya ko a right. But Kwame, for how long? And you bet me bad calls. Sir, every single week.
Say bad call. And you nipa ba ko da biya sesa.
Sir.
Nti nye se nipa ba ko fo na da biya we the same mistake.
Akosi nya ntachiti so. Okache say eni oprobi odi evidence of referees are oje bribe.
Abeba.
Emra obeto mo no niska. Ni ni krobia.
No kre. Okache ozo mo ma wa je kra na for wa adwene di.
Ni ni krobia. E ko e ba se di ne sie.
Anas ma yehun bi.
Eni ket episode che say onim se Ghana referees a omo officiate e matches no omo nya de. Onya we. Matches e di ne ha every week bia no ket episode che say eni onim se Ghana referees omo de. Enti e dey be bad decisions nko and every week e cause problems ewo e Ghana ha say. Come into quite various stadiums na ye na referees decisions. But ask yourself, say any are they learning?
I mean much about to us.
And to come e mami tron te kanu hu no ho. Emwa ade no enye ya kwame e me worship ade no. Enye. But we can sit up and do things right. That is what they are failing to do, Kwame. Because at the end of the day, just listen to what he's saying. He is trying to shield it. He is trying to make it look good. Meanwhile, when you open secret, obia ya wa sa de nya papa.
Mate, me da se. Am ni Ghana for ni ko